The court is calling 2024 CR 4614, State versus Iris Gomez. Can I have parties announce?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Gomez? Is it Iris or Iris?
Iris.
Iris?
Iris in Spanish, but it's Iris.
All right. No, just tell me how.
Hold up. This is a subtle but powerful moment. The judge stops to pronounce iris the right way. Is, not eyes. Seems minor, right? But in a courtroom where people often feel dehumanized, that small act of respect hits different. What's your take? Should every judge make it a point to get names right? Or is it just courtroom formality? Drop your thoughts below.
How to pronounce it? I will pronounce it the way it should be pronounced.
Iris, Your Honor.
All right, Iris. All right. So is there an application in this case?
No,
Your Honor.
And Judge, just like you know, there's a case that's a plea, and there's also an MTR.
All right. So we're going to start with this case first.
Which is the case here?
2024 CR 4614. All right, and so the record can be clear. If you all announce again for the record.
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez.
Okay. And you're Ms. Gomez? Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gomez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gomez, did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, here's the key legal twist. She's hit with a 1-year state jail sentence. But here's the catch. It runs concurrent with another case. Translation? Both sentences tick down at the same time. That's the kind of deal you see built into plea bargains. It trims the overall time but doesn't erase a punishment. So, what do you think? Are plea deals a smart way to balance justice, or just a softer landing for defendants?
This is to run concurrent with 2020 CR 073. Did you understand? All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I believe that my client has accepted responsibility. She understands what has transpired, and she agreed to go forward with the plea agreement along with the MTR for 2 months and currently for 1 year. And I believe that that's also going to be time for her to really have an introspector herself and understand what can be changed once she's released from jail.
Have you truly reflected on the fact that you stole your sister's identity?
Hold up. This one hits different. She didn't just commit fraud. She stole her own sister's identity. Imagine it. Her sister's at work, living her normal life, when suddenly cops show up and arrest her for crimes she never touched. That's more than fraud. It's a betrayal at the core of family trust. Be real with me. If this happened to you, could you ever forgive your sibling?
Identity, and your sister was minding her business, being a good sister at work, and the police came in and arrested her because you had been using her identity and they thought it was her. Have you internalized that? Have you apologized to her? All right. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, the court is proceeding in 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Iris Nicole Gomez, placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0673 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram, on January 5th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. And since it's a rather large MTR, we were going to go on supplemental.
All right, Courtroom fans, here's a breakdown. We've hit the motion to revoke probation. Why? She skipped check-in for November and December. Now, that may sound minor, but under condition number 5, even one misreport is a straight-up violation. 2 months? That's asking for trouble. Judges don't brush this off. Misreports equals jail time on the table.
And that's on violation condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Iris Nicole Gomez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022, violation condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
No objection, sir.
Would you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual off of community supervision, sentence her to 1 year in the state jail facility to run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614.
That is an understanding of the agreement.
All right. Has she done anything on probation?
She's done a little, Your Honor.
And what has she completed parenting classes?
No, Your Honor.
The only thing that was complete on this term was on this probation was her TAP evaluation.
Assignment over time.
And there was a total credit of $424 for her assessment fine with $2,812.
So you haven't done anything on probation.
Whoa. The judge cut straight to it. So, you've done nothing on probation. And the answer? Basically, nothing. Then comes a gut punch. I've lost my little sister. That line shifts the whole mood. Is this true remorse shining through? Or just someone drowning in regret now that the consequences are real? What's your take?
Okay. All right. The court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. The court will give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? And I'm so sorry. This is the run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And I'm going to also order, no residing with minors. All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you want deferred adjudication. Do you understand? All right, so you can appeal. But you can't say, I'm appealing because I don't think I should be on deferred adjudication. But you can appeal. You entered a plea of true to violation of condition number 5, and I've sentenced you. So you can appeal that entire plea of true, but not the fact that you were actually on probation. Do you understand? All right. All right, with regard to this, because this is a revocation and it's a criminal conviction now, felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? Yes. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to change your life big time. Otherwise, it's not going to end well.
Judge pulls no punches. You're not the parent. You're just the one who gave birth. That's brutal honesty, but it's also a wake-up call. This isn't just about time behind bars. It's about turning the page before it's too late. Second chances don't come often. If it were you, would you rise to the moment or slip back again?
For you. When you're released, do not go to your mom's house acting as though you're the parent to a child, because legally you're not the parent. You're the person who gave birth to a child, but you're not the parent. So don't try to go over there and change her system or change her rules. You understand?